What's up, guys? So I am out doing some food shopping. I'm in Dixon City, Pennsylvania. I'm at a Wegmans and I found the rack of gold. Apparently, right? No one can get this stuff. They got the big bottles for $7.99, right? Normal price. And the small ones are $5.49. So it's funny because after I mentioned the lack of Sriracha sauce, my local grocery stores just don't have it. So I guess it really was a thing, but yeah, I might just get this one. It's funny because I don't miss it. I actually really liked it. I only kind of want it now because it's hard to find. I have all kinds of hot sauces, but I think if I get the big bottle, I'll be good to go. So anyway, that's all. If you happen to be anywhere near Dixon City, Pennsylvania, there's a whole rack here. It's right by the frozen stuff. That's all for now. Let me know if your local grocery store actually has regular Sriracha sauce. I'm curious. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.